Alright guys, so check it out. So today I'm doing 100% keto. I'm doing a zucchini spiral in pesto with shrimp. Check it out. Alright guys, so this is how we're going to set our workstation up today. So we got Parmesan cheese, we got some shrimp, we got some avocado butter, we got pesto, we got zucchini, spiral, we got some chopped onions, julienne real thin, asparagus already blanched, and we got some tricolor tomato. Alright, and minced garlic. So we're going to put together a nice keto friendly pasta. It's going to be good guys, watch this one. Alright, so you're going to start your pasta with some olive oil, and you could use avocado oil, coconut oil. All those are good on the keto diet. We're going to start with our red onions. Just get those caramelized really good. Add your shrimp. Good. Let that cook for like another 2 minutes. Just stick to the pan. So now you're going to add some avocado butter. I'm going to go ahead and add a scoop. Avocado butter. Good stuff. Good stuff. Avocado butter. And I will give you guys a recipe for this also. And don't forget guys, hit that subscribe button below for more recipes.